Here in the cupboard, Raptors. And oh hey, it's a nice refreshing glass of Pepsi. And oh god, Raptors! Raptors! On the one landing. One of the little tiny ones hiding in the plant. Here on the back of the bathroom door is another one. And here's the little stairway that he's got to come up. I've got, I believe this is Archer, one of the Raptors. A little cape around his neck. This rope is tied to the door, so when he opens the door, Archer goes flying. Hits him in the face, and Brian screams like a little girl. Here we've got his weird little mannequin head that he keeps his Legend of Zelda hat on. I modified it by adding my spitter dinosaur mask. Then if you turn here to the TV, a little tiny one sticking out from between the PlayStation and the TV. He's not going to see that one for a while.
Holy shit, that's impressive! I'm genuinely impressed! Oh my god! Holy crap! I'm kind of sad! I think he just looked at me and went, whatever. And he opened it up. Holy shit!
Like how he's got the cape.
Oh my god! I fully endorse this Raptor attack. This is well worth the creativeness. Came at you and you're like, even better if somehow you managed to rig the music so it would start as soon as you came.
I was gonna carry it, but I kind of forgot it downstairs.
No, that's not right. That's pretty awesome.
Hold on one second. Chris, go grab my iPod thing from the top of the refrigerator, will you?
Okay. I just noticed it right there. Okay. Why are you still filming? Why are you still filming? Why are we still filming me?
Oh my god! Say hi to Louie.
He's so fucking tiny.
Yeah.
Teenie, this is me. Of course, no, but
Action!
Thank you so much for inspiring Mike to put up the Raptor death trap tonight.
I'd just like to point out that he's found 1, 2, 3 Raptors at this point.
Oh, so there's more? I know Bitey's somewhere.
Well, there's Bitey.
Okay, so what? The little one's Louie.
I don't even know where.
This Angus's nephew.
I don't even know where half of them are.
And of course, we're playing Jurassic Park theme all through us. I just wanted to get out of my wet pants.
Cool.
And they were wet before.
Yeah.
Wait, no,
they're wet now.
with this one.
You walked right into that one.
Fuck my life.
Do you want to go change or something?
Yes, I would like to go change my pants.
That's all I've ever heard.
Chris, set this back up, okay?
Wait.
He's like, wait a minute,
What's the matter?
He looks there, he's like, wait a minute, and then he charges over to the door.
What's the matter, Brian?
Two of them.
Well, yeah, there were 3 raptors when you left.
No.
What's that one's name?
I don't know yet.
Louis.
No, Louis the small one.
one.
That little.
I'm gonna have something psychosomatic with the sun now.
So, Brian, how does it feel to find most of the raptors?
It feels like you should go die in a chemical fire. Why are you still following me?
I don't know. Your reactions are priceless.
I'm sorry, alright? Hey, she'll give me a pizza. Need a drink.
Hey, Brian, remember how you're like, I see what you're doing? There's no way you can get me. Consider it broughten. Consider it brought.
Why? What was to cover it?
And it just lets you know, this whole entire thing has also been punctuated by the fact that you have Chris going around as your Lily Willy henchman, just going around with the Jurassic Park theme haunting me. And it's the thing, I literally did not expect Bitey up here because I noticed my blankets upstairs and it kind of looked like they were curled into a raptor-esque shape.
Yep.
You had planted that.
Yep.
So I would expect it was up.
He's evil.
Oh dear God.
That's when he jumps.
Are you still taping me?
No.
Okay. Where did I put my cup?
I don't know.
Right here.
That one's Dewey.
That was my idea.
Wait.
Dewey was my idea.
It's named for Dewey Avenue.
If you and Teenie have spent the last couple of weeks stockpiling Raptors for this, and you both.
Brian.
What?
Brian. Got a little something. Check it out.
It's my beard, you idiot.
No, a little lower.
Right there.
Say hello to Huey.
Lori, who are you? Lori.
Clever girl.
They travel in packs of 3.
You're still filming me for some reason. Fuck you for changing my desktop.